cat Spunky has made himself a little nest on the recliner part of the couch, as you can see. Right, Spunky? Say hi to everybody on YouTube. He's waving to you with his non-existent arm. Okay. It's right next to us, so... Well, not anymore. Okay, so, that's about it. Just wanted to show you my cat Spunky. I might do a tutorial inspired by him very soon. So yeah, keep checking back, and soon I'll have a tutorial inspired by him. Until next time.